Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly use the stud finder, so let's get into it.
My shelves will be holding plants, so they'll need to be drilled into a stud so they're nice and strong. Studs are wooden frames that lie just behind the drywall supporting it. It's important to drill into the studs when you require something stronger than drywall for support. Now that we know what these studs are all about, let's learn how to find them. Start by sliding the stud finder until it signals the edge of the stud, then mark the wall right at the place where it started signaling. Then start from the other side and repeat the process. This lets you find and drill into the center of the stud. Now that you know the basics, here are some helpful tips I've learned. Make sure to place the stud finder against the wall before you press the button. Since this tool measures the density of the surface, if you press the button first, it will read the whole wall as a stud because it's comparing it to the density of the air, which is pretty low. It's also important to keep the stud finder upright as you slide it along the wall. It actually has an arrow that shines onto the wall to make marking the stud easier. Holding the finder like this could lead to nicking a stud, which wouldn't give any meaningful support. Try to keep the tool against the wall. Losing contact will also cause an error message. If you're getting an error message, despite following the other tips, you may have started by placing the stud finder on a stud. This isn't super likely, but it can definitely happen, so just try starting again in a different spot. I hope you found this video helpful. Now my wall's all marked and ready for some shelves. So I'll be covering the process of creating strong floating shelves in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching! Bye!